Primetime News this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness hints at tougher gun laws. Bomb threats disrupt classes at schools across the country. And later, missing Jamaican British national found dead.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, with all the talks about energy security, the region is being encouraged to look at offshore wind solutions. I'll have the details later on.
And the big show, Jermaine Brown, what's taking place in sports?
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, as you know, the JFF elections are coming up. And whenever those are mentioned, well, drama is never too far behind. Well, we have some updates on that and more a bit later on.
I have no comment.
One day it's completely wet and the next day it's dry.
Romaine, wet, dry, windy.
What's happening?
Well, that has been the pattern over the past week or so. Rather than the past 2 weeks, we've had a wet week, and then we've had a dry week, and then we've had a wet week. And we are expecting slightly wetter conditions starting Monday of next week.
What did he say?
He needs to make up his mind. That's what he needs to do. There's also sports commentary at E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, in what ways were you inconvenienced by the bomb threats at multiple schools on Thursday?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.